What do you see, buddy?
I see an airplane.
Helicopter. Is it so cool?
I got a hole on my hand.
You're gonna hold it on your hand?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not that big.
No, we're not gonna land it on your hand. Did Mr. Doug do that the other day, though? Whoa! Helicopter down! Say,
Watch that again.
You want to try it again?
Mm-hmm.
say, do again, Daddy. You gonna put it on your hand?
It doesn't like take it off from the rug.
Ooh,
Here, let's try it again.
what happened? All right, ready? Oh! Oh!
Get me back into mine.
Here it comes! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I got you.
It's okay. It's all right.
Not scary.
Not scary. Is it not scary? Not scary.
Let me put it on the table. Oh, and in the chair.
Uh-oh. Whoop. Whoop. Here it comes. Whoop. Oh!
Again.
Is that so cool, buddy? It's gonna get mommy. It's gonna get mommy. Whoa! So hot. Whoa! Oh! Helicopter down. Oh. Is that funny, buddy? Say thank you, Santa. Whoa! Say thank you, Santa.
Say thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
No.
Yeah.
Ryker, say thank you, Santa.
No.
Aw, Superman poopy.
You're not going to get good toys next year because you're being bad right now.
It didn't work.
Yeah, it worked.